Alright guys, so this is the family. You're watching the Victory Independence channel. And I've got my goats. I've got Milkshake. Doesn't really produce too much milk. And then I've got Liberty. She likes to try to escape. She's our escape artist. And then Lovely. Let me see if I can get a better shot of her. Lovely, who actually, oh, she turned out. Anyway, Lovely should be, probably would rename her Whiner if I had the chance. She screams a lot. Whoops, their food bowl dropped. Then I've got Pretty Girl. She's a really ugly chicken, so we named her Pretty Girl to kind of boost up her confidence a little bit. And then I've got Lucy. She's my chicken who will sit on my lap while I'm reading. Very friendly chicken. And then I've got Big Red, who's just this big fat chicken. And these guys, of course, they love eating. That's all they do. But there's some other chickens in the mix there, and 3 roosters. I got them from the neighbor's house. They had people down the street actually. They had abandoned ship and left the property, left all the animals. So I went and picked up the animals and gave them a home. You guys that don't have livestock, if you guys like dogs and cats, I'm telling you, these guys are awesome. I love sitting out here and just watching them. It's great. It's very relaxing.